Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you will listen to an interesting and joyful English conversation between me and Sarah, all about different occasions that bring people together. We'll talk about beautiful celebrations like family gatherings, birthdays, Christmas, school, annual days, and many more. Each part is full of real-life expressions, simple words, and natural English that will help you speak confidently in everyday situations. You'll not only enjoy the conversation, but also learn how to talk about special moments in a fluent and friendly way. Every sentence is spoken slowly and clearly so you can listen, repeat, and improve your pronunciation step by step. So, stay with us till the end, and let's make your English learning fun, easy, and full of positive energy. Let's begin our journey of celebrations, only on Linguaboost. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about another lovely occasion, birthdays. Birthdays are special days that celebrate life and bring happiness to everyone.
That is true, David. A birthday is a wonderful time to feel loved and appreciated. People enjoy gifts, cake, and warm wishes.
I agree. My family always makes birthdays memorable. We decorate the room with balloons and lights, and my mother bakes a big cake.
That sounds beautiful. My family also celebrates birthdays at home.
We invite a few close friends and enjoy simple food together.
I think birthdays are not just about parties, but about love and care. Even a small family dinner feels special when it is full of laughter.
You are right. The best part is when everyone sings the birthday song together. It feels full of joy and togetherness.
Yes, that moment always brings a smile. I love watching the candles being blown out and making a wish. It feels magical every year.
I also make a wish every birthday. It gives me hope for something good to happen. I think it is a sweet tradition.
Absolutely. Birthdays also remind us to be thankful for another year of life. They make us realize how much we have grown.
That is very true, David. Each birthday teaches us something new and makes us stronger. It is like turning a new page in our life.
I love how children get so excited about birthdays. They wait all year for gifts, games, and surprises. Their happiness is so pure.
Children really make birthdays more fun. Their laughter fills the house with energy. I enjoy playing games with them.
Me too. I often help kids cut the cake and take pictures with them. It becomes a memory they will always remember.
That is nice. I think birthdays are perfect times to share love and positivity. Even a phone call can make someone's day brighter.
You said it perfectly. Birthdays do not need to be big to be beautiful. What matters is the love we share on that day.
Yes, David. A simple wish or a small smile can mean a lot. That is what makes birthdays truly special.
Well said, Sarah. So, everyone watching us, never forget to celebrate life, not just once a year, but every day.
That is a lovely message, David. Every day is a gift, and birthdays remind us to be thankful for it. Dear listeners, in this part, we will talk about our another special occasion, weddings. Weddings are full of love, happiness, and family joy.
That is true. Weddings bring everyone together. They make people smile, laugh, and celebrate life.
I went to my cousin's wedding last month. The lights, music, and decorations were beautiful. Everyone was dancing and enjoying themselves.
That sounds amazing. I like weddings where people sing and dance together. It feels so lively and full of fun.
My favorite part is the Mendi ceremony. People wear colorful clothes, apply henna, and dance with joy. The whole place looks bright and happy.
Yes, Mendi is always exciting. Everyone joins in and claps to the music. It brings a big smile to every face.
The next part is the Barat. The groom's family comes with music and drums. The moment is full of excitement and laughter.
I love that part too. People dance, take pictures, and welcome the groom warmly. It feels full of energy.
When the bride and groom meet, it becomes emotional. Everyone feels happy and praised for their new life. It is such a lovely moment.
That is true. The smiles on their faces make everyone's heart warm. It is a memory that stays forever.
Then comes the Walima, the final celebration. It is calm, elegant, and full of delicious food. Everyone talks, laughs, and enjoys.
I like Walima too. It feels peaceful and full of love. People bless the couple and share good wishes.
Weddings are not just about two people. They bring families closer and spread love everywhere.
I agree. They remind us to value family and relationships. It is a time to meet old friends and relatives.
Every culture has its own wedding traditions. Some have songs, some have dances, and some have special foods. All are beautiful in their own way.
Yes, each wedding has something special. Big or small, every celebration is full of happiness.
What I love most is seeing everyone happy. The smiles, the music, and the laughter make it unforgettable.
I feel the same. Weddings teach us to celebrate love and togetherness.
So that was our special occasion, weddings. They are full of emotions, joy, and sweet memories.
Yes, weddings show how love can bring everyone together. They fill our hearts with peace and happiness.
Now let us move to our next cheerful celebration, birthdays.
Stay with us as we talk about how others' occasions bring joy, laughter, and new beginnings.
Now let us talk about one of my favorite occasions, family gathering. It is the day when the whole house comes alive with laughter and love. I feel like the world slows down and happiness takes over.
Oh yes, family gatherings are full of energy and smiles. They make everyone forget their busy life for a while.
I love when my cousins arrive shouting my name at the door. We hug, laugh, and start talking nonstop. It feels like no time has passed at all.
That sounds amazing. In my family, we start by joking and teasing each other. Laughter fills the whole house within minutes.
My grandmother always brings magic to these moments. She tells stories from our childhood, and everyone listens quietly. Her words make us laugh and sometimes even tear up.
That is lovely. In my home, my father plays old songs while everyone eats. It gives such a peaceful and homely feeling.
And the food, oh, that is the best part. The kitchen smells of delicious dishes, and everyone keeps tasting things before they are served. I love that warm, cozy chaos.
Haha, that happens in my home too. No one waits for dinner to start. Everyone is already eating from the kitchen.
What makes it special is how everyone shares stories. Someone talks about school, someone about work, and someone about funny old memories. The room feels full of life and connection.
Yes, I love those conversations. They remind us how much we care for each other. It is a feeling that no technology can replace.
And the children, they are the heart of the gathering, running, laughing, and playing games everywhere. Their joy spreads through the whole house like sunshine.
That is true. Watching them play makes everyone smile. Their laughter is the sweetest sound in the world.
Sometimes we play small games like Guess the Song or Who Am I? Everyone joins in, and it becomes so funny. Even the elders laugh like kids.
That sounds wonderful. It is those silly, simple moments that make family time so special.
And of course, we take a lot of pictures. Someone always blinks, someone makes a funny face, and we all laugh until our stomachs hurt. Those photos become beautiful memories.
I know exactly what you mean. The best photos are always the unplanned ones. They capture real happiness.
Family gatherings are not just about eating or talking. They are about love that connects hearts. Even a few hours together can make life feel brighter.
That is so true. Every gathering reminds us that we are not alone. We always have people who love and care for us.
I think family time is the most valuable gift we can have. It fills our hearts with peace and our minds with joy. I wish we had more days like that.
I agree completely. Those moments stay in our hearts forever.
So, everyone watching, never miss a chance to spend time with your family. These small moments become the biggest treasures of life. Well said. Stay with us as we move to our next celebration.
Another joyful occasion full of love and laughter.
Now let us talk about another wonderful occasion, Christmas. It is one of the happiest times of the year. Everything feels bright, peaceful, and full of joy.
Yes, Christmas brings people closer together. The streets shine with lights, and everyone smiles a little more. It feels like kindness fills the air.
I love how families decorate their homes with beautiful lights and colorful ornaments. The Christmas tree stands tall, glowing like a star in the room. It feels magical every time you look at it.
That is true. Even small decorations make the home feel warm and welcoming. The smell of candles and cookies makes everything perfect.
And the best part is spending time with family. Everyone gathers in the living room, drinks hot chocolate, and shares stories. It feels like love is everywhere.
Yes, those quiet, cozy evenings are the best. Laughter, warmth, and gentle music make it unforgettable.
I also love wrapping gifts for everyone. It feels exciting to hide them under the tree and wait for the surprise. Seeing happy faces when gifts are opened is the sweetest thing ever.
I agree. It is not the gift that matters, but the love behind it. Giving makes the heart feel full and light.
On Christmas morning, children wake up early with bright smiles. They run to the tree to see what Santa has brought. Their laughter fills the whole house.
That is such a lovely moment. The joy of children makes Christmas even more special. It reminds us how simple happiness can be.
I also enjoy Christmas dinner. Everyone sits together at the table, enjoying food, laughter, and love. It feels like the whole year ends beautifully.
Yes, sharing food with family is a big part of the celebration. It makes people feel grateful and blessed.
I love how Christmas teaches kindness and giving. People visit neighbors, help the poor, and spread joy. It shows the real meaning of love.
That is so true. Even small acts of kindness can change someone's day. Christmas is a reminder to keep that kindness alive all year.
And the music, the songs make it even more joyful. Singing carols together feels so peaceful and full of spirit.
Yes, I love those songs too. They make everyone smile and sing along, no matter their age.
Christmas is not just about gifts or lights. It is about love, faith, and togetherness. It brings hope to every heart.
Exactly. It teaches us to appreciate what we have and to share happiness with others. That is the real beauty of this season.
So, Christmas is truly a celebration of peace, joy, and love. It fills our homes with light and our hearts with warmth.
Yes, and as the year ends, it reminds us to be thankful and hopeful. A new beginning always waits around the corner.
The last conversation between me and David is about one of the most exciting events in school, the annual day celebration. It is the day every student looks forward to all year.
Yes, it is a very special day. The whole school looks bright with decorations, and everyone feels happy and excited.
I still remember my school annual days. We used to prepare dances, plays, and speeches for weeks. The practice itself was full of fun and laughter.
That sounds amazing. I also took part in plays when I was in school. It was a great way to show our talents and gain confidence.
The stage felt like a magical place. Standing there with lights shining on you and the audience cheering, it was unforgettable.
I can imagine that performing in front of teachers and parents gives so much pride. It feels like a moment to shine.
And not just performances, even the decorations made the school look so beautiful. Colorful banners, balloons, and flowers everywhere. It felt like a festival.
Yes, every corner of the school looked alive. Everyone worked together to make the day successful.
I loved how parents came to watch their children perform. Their smiles and claps made everything worthwhile. It was full of emotions and happiness.
True, seeing proud parents in the audience made students even more confident and happy.
The best moment was when prizes were given. It felt so good to see hard work being appreciated. The stage shined with medals and trophies.
I agree. Those awards were not just gifts, but memories of effort and success.
Even the teachers looked so happy that day. They guided us, supported us, and celebrated with us like family.
Yes, teachers played a big role. Without them, the event would not have been possible.
I also loved the cultural programs. Students performed dances, songs, and even little dramas about values and friendship. It was full of learning and fun.
That is what makes School Annual Day special. It teaches teamwork, discipline, and confidence in a joyful way.
I remember the closing ceremony when everyone sang the school song together. It always gave me goosebumps and pride.
Yes, that moment felt so powerful. It reminded us that school is not just about study, but also about growth and unity.
Annual Day truly brings the whole school family together. It is not just a celebration, but a memory that stays forever.
I completely agree. It is one of those days that makes school life bright and unforgettable.
So, to all students watching, enjoy every school annual day. These moments will stay in your heart even after many years.
That is beautifully said. School memories are treasures. An annual day is one of the brightest among them.